Hello everyone, my name is Lenny from Code with Lenny Len, and in this tutorial video I'm going to be showing you more about strings. So in the last lesson I showed you how to open up idle, which comes installed with Python. Open up IDLE, and just a fun way of executing our code. So a few things to note before I start today's lesson is that in the previous video I noticed there was a lot of noise in the keyboard, especially as I was hitting the keys. So I did something to try to fix that. I hope it shall be fixed, and I hope that from now onwards you're going to be having some clear voice, clear sound. And in case you notice any other problem or any other challenge that I'm facing, please mention it in the comments and I shall try to do my best in order to try and fix it. So let's go to new file and get to today's lesson. So in the last lesson we did all about printing strings and stuff. Okay, so I just put quotes and write Lenny. Okay, I'll just save this and I'll go to my desktop. Then I'll go to Let's Learn Python Basics, then the code, and here I'll save it as 2 strings. Okay, so it's already done this for me. I love you, Python. So instead of writing .py, as I said in the last video, Python will do that for you. So I'm just going to leave this and save. So as you have noticed, we have .py extension there. Python has done that for us, and if I just run or press F5, this should get us running. And you can see Lenny has been printed on the interpreter. So what I want to show you today is something known as string concatenation. So string concatenation, and this is such a big word for something so small. This simply means gluing together. Gluing together, or fixing, or joining, conjoining, whatever you feel like it should be called. Okay, so in this video, let me just get started here. We are going to do this: print my name, then I can just put plus, then finish is Lenny. Okay, Control S to save, F5 to run. And you can see Python has successfully joined the 2 strings together. So my name is Lenny has been printed onto the console. And because this is not very smart, you can see there's no spacing. I'm going to need some bit of spacing, so this is what I'm going to do. Add some spaces before and after the strings to give them more look. So F5 to run. And now you can see my name is Lenny has been successfully printed to the console or the Python interpreter. Okay, so now we are going to get back to our code. Just exit out of that. And something fun that we can do with this is that we can join as much as we want. Okay, so I can write hello space plus plus learning plus Python. Okay, so I'm just going to put some spacing, and you don't have to worry about spacing. Okay, put as much spaces as you would like. We are having fun learning Python, so do learn by experimentation. Learn something new, try it out, try to tweak it, have fun, enjoy it. Okay, so I'm just going to run this code one more time, and you can see hello, I'm learning Python. So all the spaces we put, no one cares. Python has just done what you wanted it to do, and that's the fun part of Python. It's so easy. So something else I want to show you is that if you would want to go to a new line, now that we're done with string concatenation or gluing together of strings, we can do something fun like going to jump to a new line. So if I want to do something like this, print hello, and instead of world I want to do this world in another line, I'll just say print world, save, then run. As you can see, Python has written hello world in the sequence that you put it. So this is not very efficient in terms of Newline characters. Okay, so I'm just going to show you something called the Newline character, and that's simply a backslash n, or this backslash n. Alright, so in Python, to put a new line between strings, I can just say print, then hello, then I would space backslash n, then world. Okay, the choice of spacing is all up to you, but this backslash n, they have to follow each other consequently, just like that. So save and run this to see the results. The results are quite pleasing. As you can see, it has added a new line to our hello world. Okay, so the backslash n is a Newline character. That's basically what it does in Python, and you can add as many as you want. Backslash n, backslash n, backslash n. Then let's run this. Now you can see we have a very big space between hello and world. Okay, so sorry about the window drag there, but in Python we do have a lot of these special funny characters, and the next one that I'm going to show you is what about putting space. Instead of doing all this, we can actually put in a special character, and Python will be put a tab. Okay, so to place tabs in Python, you can just write backslash t. Okay, so backslash t will do this for us. I'll just come here, print hello world, and between hello and world I'll just put a backslash t. Alright, a bit of spacing, save, run. Now you can see Python has put a big tab between hello and world. Okay, so that's what the backslash t does. That's just a tab character. It's a tab. Special for Python means that put a big tab between hello and world, and just like the Newline character, you can just put as many as you want. Backslash t, backslash t. Okay, save, run. Now we can see we have backslash t, backslash t. It has gone so much that it actually went to the next line. Okay, so this is a very big tab. You have just put a lot of backslashes, so Python has done exactly what you asked it to do, and because it's our trusty programming language, it has not let us down. So that's all we needed to learn in this lesson. And now that we know all about strings, well, basically all the things that we need to know, we know how to print stuff to the console, and we use quotes or double quotes if you prefer. And you've learned about special characters like backslash t, backslash n. Okay, you've learned about string concatenation, whereby you have your string 1, which will be joined by a plus sign to the string 2. So I hope you're having fun learning Python. Well, we have just learned the basics, the mere basics that we're going to be using throughout the series. So I'm going to be using strings almost everywhere. Okay, so for now, I hope you've been enjoying this series. In the next video, I'll be talking about variables, and things will keep getting on interesting. So stay tuned, and as always, thanks for watching.